My name is Jordan Solomon. I'm 25 years old and I'm a realtor with the Living Tennessee team in Nashville, Tennessee. So my first experience with real estate was watching my parents make and lose a bunch of money in Las Vegas during 2008. That's where I'm originally from. And so I saw the power that real estate had for people, and I knew I wanted to be a part of that to help people make a bunch of money and live their best life. Drinking. No, I would say my favorite thing about Nashville is, of course, the people, the Southern hospitality. That's a real thing. I love the greenery, so all the nature reserves and hiking. I love running and just being outside. It's a great place to just get out and explore. Ooh, that's a good one. If I was a brand, I can't say that on camera. Yeah, that's my slogan. I wake up and I look in the mirror and I just think like, yeah, today's gonna be an awesome day. It's actually what I do in the morning. I look in the mirror and I scream like in my head, yeah, and it hypes me up. I do it right before my affirmations. Sushi, yeah. I've thought of it because you can go so many different avenues. It's either that or pizza, but pizza you're probably gonna get unhealthy pretty quick. So I thought, how would I feel eating sushi every day for the rest of my life? And I think that's the winner. I'm not particularly a fan of garden gnomes. They kind of creep me out. Probably a wolf, because I just go off and do my own thing whenever we're hanging out or at a music festival, and I don't need anyone to have a good time. Lone wolf, you know. Mine is not hot because I don't like my mouth to be on fire and me sweating. That doesn't sound fun. It hurts my body. I tried to do the Nashville hot and it ruined my meal. I couldn't eat anything else. I started with the hottest one and it ruined the rest of the chicken for me. It was the hottest and I'm like, yeah, it'll be all right. And my stomach had pains. I was like, I'm gonna do this.
Do it.
You were like, yeah.
Exactly. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat this wing. So,
No.
yeah, that was a mistake. My favorite part of my career is being able to go and just meet new people every single day and play a small role in helping them choose their dream home and where they're going to be making memories and spending their life. It's a really cool feeling. The people and the family-oriented feel. I like that I can lean into every member on the team and know that they have my back. They're willing to help me with anything that I'm struggling with in business and in personal life. I'm Jordan with the Living TN team, and I'll see y'all in Nashville.